Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel Tangerine Credit Card. If you want to cancel your Tangerine Bank's credit card, then follow through the steps till the end. First of all, open a web browser. In the URL box, type in tangerine.ca and search. There are two different ways you can easily cancel your Tangerine credit cards. The first method is by logging into your online account. From the main homepage of Tangerine, click Login at the top right corner and make sure to log into your account by entering your login ID for your personal banking or your business banking account. Once you type in your login ID, click on the Next button and make sure to type in your 4 digits or your 6-digit banking PIN in the text box. After you do that, click on Login in order to log into your online account first. After you are logged into your Tangerine online banking account, select the credit card you'd like to close from the Account Details option. Finalize that you like to cancel your credit card and follow through the prompts. That was one method of canceling your Tangerine credit card. Another easiest method is to call the Tangerine's customer service line. From the main homepage of Tangerine, go ahead and click the Help button at the top right corner. From the Help option, scroll down and get to this Contact options. You can go ahead and chat with the Tangerine bot and mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card, or you can also file a complaint by choosing the File Complaint option and mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card. The easiest way to cancel your credit card is via phone call, so click on this phone option and expand the option where you will be able to see your toll-free number that you can call and ask the customer service representative to cancel your credit card. Make sure that there are no outstanding balance on your credit card left to be paid. Also be ready to answer any security question in order to verify your identity for cancellation. And that is how you can easily cancel your Tangerine Bank's credit card in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.